Howdy. I'm just going to do a quick rundown of my daily skincare regimen. This is going to be like my morning routine, but a lot of the products are used twice a day or fairly interchangeable. So I like to start the day with a milky cleanser. This one's by Fourth Rate Beauty. It's just a light, kind of creamy cleanser. My face is already damp. And give that a rinse with warm water. And then pat my face dry. Patting instead of rubbing so you don't irritate your skin. Then a toner. This is the Rose Tonic from Pixi. So just go over my face with a little cotton swab of toner. In the evening, I use a glycolic acid toner from The Ordinary, which doesn't really matter this time of year, but if it's sunny outside and you're using glycolic acid or like alpha, I think it's called alpha hydroxy, it can make your skin sensitive to the sun. So always read bottles and see if they have any like weird side effects, because you may get a mysterious sunburn. That's no good. Alrighty. Now, this is just a bottle of water. I'm just gonna dampen my face. And then a couple drops of hyaluronic acid serum. This one's from The Ordinary. I also really like the one from Asterwood Naturals. Just don't use one that has like fragrance in it or something. Just pat that into the skin. Let that dry for about 5 minutes. Alrighty, so hyaluronic acid, when you put it on your damp skin, it like delivers the water into your face. It always has this sort of like tightening feeling that just, I love. And I'm using a serum. There's so many different kinds of serum. Honestly, just look up what you feel like is going to be beneficial to your skin type, whatever kind of specific things you're looking for. This one is called Vino. It's from Fourth Rate Beauty. I'm going to use 1, 2, 3. A little antioxidant serum. And then we wait for that to dry. For under eye cream, I highly recommend something that's got caffeine in it. Helps with like the dark circles. It just kind of reduces puffiness, wakes your eyes up. This one from No BS is lovely. It's got squalane, more hyaluronic acid, quinoa seed, and caffeine. I just use a tiny, tiny, tiny pump. Well, you know, I keep forgetting my stuff is almost gone. So I just grab the boop. And lastly, Glow Face Oil. This comes from a small company called Aspen Naturals. I love this stuff. It's got turmeric, chamomile, rosehip, and an assortment of other nice herbs. Just do a pump and a half. Rub it on my hands. And just press that into my skin. Down the neck. We are good to go. I highly recommend you always take care of your lips. I like a little lip oil. And throughout the day, if you need a little pick-me-up, you can use like a face spray. This is Mellow Milk from Fourth Ray. It's really nice. Just give you that little midday hydration. All right, well, there's my daily skincare routine.
Goodbye.